little explorers. Welcome to the Shapes Adventure. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's go!
Wow, look at this shape. It's round and smooth. What could it be? Circle. That's right. A circle is round and goes round and round, like a sun, a clock, and a yummy pizza. Here comes another shape. It has 4 equal sides. Can you guess? Square. Super smart. A square is strong and sturdy, like a window, a box, and a tasty chocolate bar. Chocolate. Whoa! This shape has 3 pointy corners. Can you name it? Triangle. Yes! A triangle is special, like a mountain, a pizza slice, and a party hat. Here comes a shape with 2 long sides and 2 short sides. What is it? Rectangle. Great job! A rectangle is everywhere, like a TV, a door, and a school bus. Bus. Twinkle, twinkle, what do we see? A shape that shines so brightly. Star. Yes, a star has 5 points, like a twinkling star in the sky, a starfish, and a magic wand. Look at this shape! It's like a square standing on one corner. Diamond! Awesome! A diamond is a special shape, like a kite, a crystal, and a baseball field. This shape is like a circle, but stretched out. Can you name it? Oval. Yes. An oval is like an egg, a balloon, and a watermelon. Melon. This shape has 8 sides. What could it be? Octagon! That's right! An octagon has 8 sides, like a stop sign. Traffic light. Here's a tricky shape. It's half of a circle. What's its name? Semicircle. Great job! A semicircle is like a rainbow, a taco, or a watermelon slice. Rainbow. Wow! This shape has 5 sides. Can you name it? Pentagon. Super smart! A pentagon is like a house roof, a soccer ball design, and the famous Pentagon building.
Circles are round, triangles are tall, squares are strong, we love them all.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more learning fun. See you next time!